Consider the moment an outdoor space truly becomes an extension of your home. It is not when you add a grill or a table, but when you create a place designed not for doing, but for being. A place that invites you to settle in, to stay a while as the light fades. A wooden raised seating deck is precisely that, an architectural gesture that elevates you, literally and figuratively, above the ordinary plane of the yard. It creates a room without walls, a platform for gathering, and when you integrate step lights into that structure, you're doing something more profound than just illuminating a path. You're drawing a line around that room with light, extending its usable life into the evening and transforming its very character from a sun-drenched platform to a warm, glowing stage for the quieter hours. The raised deck itself begins as a statement of intention by lifting a substantial wooden surface a foot or two or three off the ground. You're defining territory. This is no longer just a patch of lawn or a flat patio. It is a destination. The height provides a vantage point, a subtle sense of command over the surrounding garden. It improves drainage, keeps the seating surface dry, and creates a clear psychological separation from the working paths and flower beds. The construction is a symphony of foundational carpentry, sturdy posts set deep into footings, a robust frame of choice, and a surface of smooth, closely fitted decking boards. The wood, likely cedar, redwood, or a dense tropical hardwood, is chosen for its ability to withstand the elements and age with grace. Its grain, its color, its very substance form the warm, organic flow of this new outdoor room. But the transition into this platform is a key part of the experience. This is where the steps come in. They are not an afterthought, they are the welcoming gateway. Wide, shallow treads encourage a slow, deliberate ascent. The rises, the vertical faces between each step, are where the hidden magic of the step lights often resides. Tiny, powerful LED units are recessed into these faces. Their wiring runs discreetly through the deck's framing. Their placement is strategic and thoughtful. They are not there to blast light upward, but to cast a soft downward wash onto the tread below. The effect of this integrated lighting is transformative, both practically and aesthetically. As dusk settles, the first purpose reveals itself: unequivocal safety. Each step is clearly delineated by its own pool of light. The edge between one level and the next is perfectly defined, eliminating shadows that could cause a stumble. This gentle guidance is invaluable for guests and family alike, making the deck accessible and secure long after the sun has set. Yet, the light does far more than just prevent trips. It sculpts the space. Those individual holes of light on each step create a rhythmic ascending pattern, a visual cadence that leads the eye and the body at the main deck. The light spilling from the step grazes the texture of the deck boards, highlighting the wood's grain and creating a long, elegant shadows. It draws a luminous outline around the entire structure, making the deck appear to float slightly above the darkened lawn. This understated glow avoids the harshness of an overhead floodlight, which can feel invasive and flatten a space. Instead, the step light creates atmosphere. It is light that feels discovered, not deployed. This illuminated pathway extends the deck's purpose seamlessly from day into the night. The raised platform is no longer abandoned when darkness falls. It becomes the evening's natural gathering point. The light defines the perimeter, creating a cozy sense of enclosure and intimacy. Conversations feel more focused, more shattered. The world beyond the ring of light recedes, making the deck feel like a lantern in the garden. It invites you to stay out later, to watch the stars emerge, to enjoy the cool night air without fumbling into the blackness. Furthermore, the integration speaks of meticulous craftsmanship. The lights are not tacked on accessories, they are embedded into the architecture. In the end, a wooden raised seating deck with integrated step lights is a masterclass in environmental design. I'm curious to know which aspect of this illuminated transition resonates most with you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating!